Hello and welcome. My name is Yulia and I teach math here at AIM. This is my 15th year of teaching and I truly love what I do. My oldest child also attends AIM, so I know firsthand what a special community this is. I love working with students, exploring how different minds think and creating lessons that fire up those minds. Here we have three math classes, standard math classes, Algebra 1, Geometry and Algebra 2, and we're using Snohomish School District curriculum, which is Carnegie Learning. Here are my expectations. Grading is based on three components: classwork, lab work, and assessments. Attendance is important since we cover a lot of material during class and also in labs. That said, life happens. If your student misses a class, have them see me and I'll work with them to make a catch-up plan. So students attend class either once or twice a week with 1 or 2 extra sessions dedicated to labs. In twice-a-week classes, we do a lot of group work on whiteboards to keep things interactive. Once-a-week classes are often smaller and students work one-on-one with me. Labs are extension of class, giving students time to practice at their own skill level. I try to avoid busy work. Instead, I design tasks that are challenging enough to be engaging, but not overwhelming. Most independent work happens in the labs. So students should not have a lot of homework because they can do most, if not all of it, in labs. Assessments such as tests and quizzes, and also sometimes projects, give me a chance to see what students can do individually, as well as another chance for students to practice their math skills. Assessments must be corrected to get full credit. My classes follow Washington State standards, and as I said, our curriculum is Carnegie Learning. There is an online component to that curriculum called Mathia. However, we're not doing it as much as in other schools because we don't have as much time, but we will do some of those workspaces in the labs. I also use the building thinking classrooms approach to engage students. Saying all of that, I have to adapt my lessons to fit AIM's unique schedule and students' needs. Since many students ask for math in real life, what are we going to be using in real life? I bring a lot of practical examples. So, for example, when we are learning functions in Algebra 1, we explore how much does it cost to mail a package or a letter currently. And students learn that the price or the cost will depend on the weight of the package. We also, in Algebra 2, for example, when we're learning exponential functions, we focus on the concept of half-life, and students calculate how caffeine decays in their bodies over time. Also, I love to use group work. Group work is geared at practicing skills that are important in learning math and also in life as a whole. So such skills as attentive listening, communicating our thoughts, taking risks, and persevering. Thank you very much for listening to my presentation. Please don't hesitate to reach out, either email, phone, Parent Square. I value communication with parents and appreciate your support in helping your students grow. Together, we can make math a meaningful and positive experience.